Don't let your truck just be another boring stock model to roll off the lot. Make your truck stand out from the crowd with a fresh set of DDC wheels for your dually. The DDC Wheels Aftermath Dually Wheel Set can turn heads and keep your truck rolling, whether you're at the show or on the road. These wheels were designed by enthusiasts looking to create a wheel that would be functional but give a unique and aggressive appearance. DDC is dedicated to giving your dually the look you're after for your truck. Their wheels are application specific and made from the highest quality materials for both function and good looks. DDC's Aftermath design comes in both polished and black finishes. These are direct fit 8-lug wheels. However, DDC gives you an aggressive 10-lug look, complete with lug covers and aluminum center caps. In addition, DDC wheels are hub-centric and do not require an adapter. Give your truck form and function with a fresh set of DDC dually wheels. Shop the style, color, and bolt pattern that works best for your truck at XDP.com today.